Hello guys, here is fully 3D printed Remington Derringer. This is the model from World of Guns, and I will show you today what have been printed and how it looks inside and how it operates and so on. So it fires, you may cock it, extractor works, barrel lock works, and cam, which switching between barrels also works, and we will check it later. Let's unscrew the grip screw with a screwdriver and check what is inside. One more time, all parts are plastic and 3D printed. So you may see the barrel engraved, and we cock the hammer. Main spring works and the cam spring also works, and you may check it. There are two positions of the cam, and you could see it just right now. Now I'm trying to check the barrel before disassembly, just for safety, and let's try to make complete disassembly of the Remington Derringer. Okay, this is a grip, grips with a grip screw. By the way, all threads have been made on plastic, it works there. And this is the barrel screw and axis. Oh, now let's unlock the barrel lock. Yes, and turn off the barrel. Unscrew the extractor screw. And extractor itself. Okay, let's go further with the frame. First of all, okay, let's unscrew the screw of the barrel lock. I think we will improve some parts a little bit later, we're still working on it, but it's very close to its final version. Oops. So this is the cam spring. Then we will remove hammer group with the hammer nose and the cam. Here, this is the spring, this is the pin of the hammer. Let's take it out. Yes, that's it, the hammer nose with the cam. It's interesting, but we've made very close, and the spring on the hammer can be disassembled. Let's check it. Yeah, that's it. Now we have to remove the trigger pin and trigger itself. The spring on a trigger can be removed. You may find the model itself in the program World of Guns, links are in the description. You may download it for free. I hope you liked the video, thank you for your attention, and I hope you will see new models soon. New 3D printed models. Bye bye!